Good morning, boys and girls. I hope you had a well-rested sleep and that you're ready to begin working. So today we are going to continue with our life skills assignment, and this week's life skill topic was washing dishes. So before we go into the assignment, we are going to review everything we went over on Monday. So we know that the first thing we should do is put water in the sink and add soap. Our second step is wash the dishes. Our third step is rinse the dishes. Then in number 4, we dry the dishes. And then step number 5, put the dishes away. So this is just a little recap of what we went over on Monday, and this should just refresh our memory so we could answer the following questions. So for question number 1, it says, I can wash the dishes. First, I need to plug the sink and fill it with. What are we supposed to fill the sink with? Letter A, a sponge. Letter B, water. Letter C, soap. Or letter D, dishes. I'm going to give you a moment to think about it. Does anybody know the answer? Yes, awesome job. B, water. First, we need to fill the sink with water. How else are we going to wash the dishes, boys and girls? So that was amazing. It is water. Question number 2. What comes first? Do we dry the dishes with a towel? Or do we, when the dishes are dry, you put them away in the cupboard? So what do we do first? Do we dry them or do we put them away? Yes, first we have to dry them. Then once they are dry, we put it away. Awesome job, boys and girls. You all are doing amazing. Question number 3. True or false? Some people have jobs that require them to wash dishes. Is this true or is this false? Yes, it is true, boys and girls. Some people do have jobs that require them to wash dishes. For example, restaurants. When we go eat at restaurants, they give our food in plates. Well, once we are done eating, the waiters who bring us our food need to take it to the back, and there has to be somebody that wash our plates after we eat. So yes, this is true. Question number 4. You wash the dishes using a cloth or, so what can we use to wash the dishes? A sponge, B, a towel, C, dishwasher, or D, water? Awesome, yes, a sponge. We need a good cloth or a good sponge to be able to wipe away everything that's on the plate. So, good job. It is a sponge. And our last question, true or false? After washing the dish, rinse it and put it in the dish strainer. Do we do these things in order? True or false? Yes, true. We do. After we wash the dish, we do rinse it and put it in the dish strainer so the water can come down. So amazing. Good job, boys and girls. You all did fantastic today. You all are all ready to wash the dishes. You all knew all the questions to all the important steps. So awesome job, boys and girls.